System activated.
Hello world, here is BITI, your Bitcoin Trading Informant, and here's the quick Turbo TA 5-minute TA for Bitcoin, your daily update. Here is the 1 hour chart, and this was the last picture from my last video. You saw here a big downtrend, and yes, we broke this downtrend with a really nice uptrend. We are still in this nice uptrend, and that's a very nice story. We retested here this downtrend, then we saw a big nice pump to the upside, and now we are retesting our EMA 200. This is this yellow line here, and this is holding momently as a really nice support. So let's check some things now. Let's check the Fibonacci line from the highest point here to the lowest point here, and we can see some interesting things. Our big thing is momently the 0.618 Fibonacci line, and this one is here momently on 58,000. So this line here on 58,000, this one here is our big, not a text one. Sorry guys, I need the price label, this one here. So if you're zooming in a little bit more on the 1 hour chart, you can see it better. This line here, this line with 58,000, this Fibonacci line, is momently our support, is our big fight. We saw here wicks to the downside, and now we are over this line, over this Fibonacci line. And also you can see this ribbon band. We saw here a green one for a short time, for 2 or 3 hours. We saw a red one. It looks very bad here, but with this big bounce through this ribbon band, now we have nice cards here for a bounce to the upside. We saw a down going Bitcoin again, and now we are momently fighting under the ribbon band, and that's the big problem for the moment, guys. We are for the moment under this ribbon band here. We are fighting. We have now unsure candle here. This is a Doge star candle, and for the moment we have very nice support from the downside, 58,000. But guys, it's now very important to close this candle over the ribbon band, over 58,000. We need a closing candle over 58,000. This would be a bullish sign. For the bigger time frame, if you are watching the 4 hour chart, let's check this one. We have these things to watch, guys. We're zooming out a little bit, and you can see we are here. We had a shoulder, head, shoulder. I showed you this on my last video, a shoulder, a head, and here a shoulder. And I told you guys, if we see a breakout from this shoulder, head, shoulder, we may see a very nice long position. And this was here the baseline, something like this. We saw this baseline breaking out to the upside, breaking out to the downside, and now we are over this baseline, and we need to stay over this baseline. This is so important. This green line here is now our big support for the moment. We need to hold this. The ribbon band is also here as a support on the 4 hour chart. You can see long position since this point, since the 30th April, 12 o'clock, we had a nice long position, and now we are fighting with the ribbon band. Momently we are over the ribbon band on the 4 hour chart, and that's a very nice thing we have to watch. The next thing we have to watch is this point, guys. This is the next Fibonacci line. This is this one, the golden pocket, 0.786. In my opinion, the most important line momently we have to watch, 61,000, golden pocket line, this line here. So if we can spike up to the upside, if we can break out more to the upside, this is the next target we have to watch. For the moment, we are in a nice uptrend. Everything is okay. And we are on the 4 hour chart also over this EMA 200 line. This is this yellow line here from the downside. This is also very nice. So our big target to the upside, if we delete here our Fibonacci, our big target to the upside is still working. This is this one here from the lowest point here to our support line here, or to our baseline, something like this. This is our big target to the upside. This is a breakout target, 68,700, 800, 68,500. That's the big target for breaking out this inverse shoulder, head, shoulder, if we stay over this support line. That's, in my opinion, momently the biggest thing ever. 58,000 must hold. Very important. 58,000 must hold, guys. So that's the big picture here for the 4 hour chart. Let's look very quick before this video ends at the MACD. The MACD is momently on the 4 hour chart bearish. You can see it. The blue line is under the brown line. That's a bearish thing. We have to watch this on the 4 hour chart. We are building red candles now. That's not the best thing. If we are watch at this at the 1 hour chart very quick here, you can see also a bearish MACD. blue line, under the brown line, we are building more and more green candles. So attention, attention. Maybe we see a downgoing Bitcoin again. Monday, normally Monday is a good bullish thing for Bitcoin. We saw nice pumps to the upside, but for the moment, we have some bigger things to watch. Also, guys, look at this. The big thing also is this one here. This is a zone. This is a resistance zone. You can see this resistance zone is working very, very bad for Bitcoin. We need to break through this resistance zone. If you're zooming in a little bit more, let's remove the MACD very quick. You can see this zone here is one of the most important things. If we can go higher, this would be very nice. We have to break this zone, and this price target for this zone is about 59,000. So we need a breakout over 59,000 to see a more mooning Bitcoin. For the moment, look at this. For the moment, we are building lower highs. That's a bad thing. This was a high, and this was, if you can see, a lower high, and we are building lower highs. That's the big problem. For the from the downside coming, we are building higher lows. This is very nice. This was a low. This also was a low. Here is a low. So we are building higher lows. As long as we're building higher lows, everything is fine. Everything is okay. And maybe we are building now a little triangle here. You can see this also a trend line from this line to this line. And from the downside, we also can see a trend line or a support line like this here. So maybe we are building now a little triangle, and as long as we are working with this triangle, everything is okay, everything is fine. Guys, this was the this was the fast update, only 5 minutes, I promised you, and now we have 6 minutes, 30 minutes. I have to stop it. Guys, thank you very much for watching. I wish you just the best. It doesn't matter if you go long or if you go short. I wish you make millions. This was the Turbo TA. Every day a new video from BITI or Bitcoin Trading Informant. Bye bye, have a nice time. Greetings, yours BITI. And special greetings to Cromlanch, my new big boss of my live stream, streaming live 24 hours, 7 days a week. Bye bye. System activated.